Rain really coming down right now in southwest Houston and the Galleria area. Dave, is this all the storm?
This is all part of Bertha interacting with the heat of the day. The storm itself is very weak, very disorganized, but as we know, those types of things can still produce some heavy rain, and we got some heavy downpours. After today, we're going back to summer, and the heat will be on heading into the weekend and next week. Live look, there's downtown getting wet. Traffic's moving pretty good here on the Gulf Freeway. Headlights are on, reduced visibility with the spray and the rain coming down. At Bush Continental Airport, they've got a thunderstorm now. It's 84, still feels like 97. It's almost 20 degrees cooler than yesterday's record high temperatures, which had us at 102, 103 across the board. You can see the counterclockwise swirl as Bertha comes into Texas. The whole thing's beginning to elongate now and weaken and become very disorganized. However, it is still producing some pretty good rain and thunder the west side. So out the West Park Tollway, out 59 through Missouri City to Sugarland, reaching toward Richmond-Rosenberg. That's where the heaviest rain and thunder is. Some high water spots on some of the low spots near Bel Air and Meyerland, reporting a little bit of high water on the road there. And then here's the thunderstorm. There's Bush Continental Airport. They were reporting the thunder, and they've got the lightning and thunder in the vicinity. That may cause them to slow down operations for a little while. This storm's moving pretty quickly to the west, but it's going to put down some pretty good rain. Hawthorne Place, Aldine, probably get Acres Home into Jersey Village, up toward Willowbrook Mall, pretty wet here. That may reach all the way up to 49 into the Champions area within the next half hour, 45 minutes. And then a thunder shower here in Wharton County, drifting toward Wharton and putting some rain on the cornfields out there in Wharton County. We'll continue with a chance for the scattered thunderstorms, heavy at times, going into 7 o'clock, and then after that, things are forecast to settle down pretty rapidly as the whole mess heads to the west and the energy from the storm goes into central Texas. Tomorrow, we're going to get these little streamer showers in the morning. It'll be very humid tomorrow, but the extreme rain chances will be gone. We're going to go down to a 20% rain chance tomorrow. As far as this evening goes, tropical downpours, we're getting them now. We'll have them through 7, 8, 9 o'clock, and then they will fizzle out. And then we'll have a very warm, humid evening and overnight. The winds, they just really haven't materialized. Now, there may be some gusts to 30 or so in some of the heavier downpours, but overall, the wind field with this tropical storm coming through is very weak. By 8 o'clock, winds 10, 15, maybe some 20-mile-an-hour gusts down on the coast, but that's about it. By 11:30 midnight, back to just summertime normals with a south breeze going into early tomorrow morning. So no significant wind impacts, at least no large scale. These are winds across the state. Port Lavaca south at 13, Corpus south at 16, Port Isabel south at 9, Galveston has a south wind at 17, and there's the north wind at Houston at 10. So there's your counterclockwise surface circulation around the broad circulation of Bertha coming through. Here's a bigger look at the modeling on this. By this evening, still some lingering showers, especially west of Houston, but the more widespread rain has been down toward South Texas. A lot of this weakens as we head through the overnight. This is 6:30 tomorrow morning. We get a few little scattered showers in the morning, and we may see a few isolated showers tomorrow afternoon, but the bulk of what was Bertha now moving into Mexico. By the time we get into Friday afternoon, we'll go back to our summertime normals. Here are Friday's numbers: 77 in the morning, very humid tomorrow morning, 91, we'll call it a 20% chance for scattered showers tomorrow. High temp goes to 95. I wouldn't be surprised if we have heat index values of 105, 106 tomorrow with all the humidity around. So all the hot weather precautions come back in play starting tomorrow, and it begins a long stretch of hot weather. 97 Saturday, 99 on Sunday, 100 Monday, 101 on Tuesday. The heat dome reasserts its dominance over Houston and southeast Texas as we head into the weekend and stretches all the way through next week, guys.